Hello, and welcome to Zone Mapper. Zone Mapper is a partnership between UC Berkeley's Partners for Advanced Transportation Technology as well as California's Caltrans. The goal of Zone Mapper is to create a cohesive and effortless mapping tool to generate precise visualizations of roadwork zones across California. This novel mapping tool can be crucial for traffic engineers and zone planners to effectively visualize and refine their work. Let's go ahead and take a look at some features. Here is our zone mapping app. To the left is a geographical map to visualize our cones, and above we have a drop-down menu detailing the individual IDs of all work zones in California. You can choose to scroll through our list or input a specific zone ID. Let's choose this zone. To the left, you can see that our map is now populated with markers outlining the zone, and a stream of information about the zone is displayed to your right. First, let's analyze this work zone. If we scroll out, we can see that this zone was constructed in the heart of downtown San Francisco. We can see that the markers surround Maiden Lane. Let's see what more we can learn about this zone. To the right, we can see that the zone begins on Kearny Street and ends on Grant Avenue. We are also told about important markers of the work zone that workers on site have reported. And lastly, we are told about the creation and updates of these zones, telling us the work activity along Maiden Lane. We would also like to create an intuitive and streamlined interface for traffic engineers to make adjustments to work zones. To enable this, the map is interactive and users can easily move markers around. By hitting save, we can save the locations of these new markers to be published back to the database. Sometimes, however, the reported positional data is not enough to describe an exact boundary polygon. To this extent, we have developed a novel refinement algorithm that takes road and zone information from various sources to create a close approximation of the real work zone. As you can see, our optimized algorithm can create detailed geometries to model the exact area of work zones. Now, let's take a look at a different work zone. This is in downtown San Francisco, across Commercial Street Junction. Noticeably, we can tell that only 3 coordinates were reported, much less than Maiden Lane. Maybe our refinement algorithm can help us in this case and create a much better approximation of the work zone. Now, let me introduce you to our dash camera vision service. Caltrans maintenance vehicles are equipped with dashcam capture footage on site. By leveraging this feed, we can detect various work zone elements like traffic cones, barriers, and other identifying features. Combining this visual data with our existing information allows us to achieve meter-level accuracy, providing an exceptionally detailed and reliable representation of the work zone. For example, let's take a look at this vehicle footage from South Berkeley. We can detect the cones placed along the edge of the road with a high confidence. Knowing the position of the vehicle at each frame, we can triangulate the position of the cones as well. If I were to select Place Cones now, my map is now populated with cone positions, as well as the reported boundaries, creating the most precise zone model possible. Hitting save gives us this best polygon, which combines both the cones and the reported positions. Using satellite mode, we can tell how our zone matches up with the street and curb. Thank you for watching this demo of Zone Mapper. If you're interested in other PATH projects, please go to path.berkeley.edu to see how we're making California roads safer. Thank you.